Yo.
Hey, it's Sarah and
And
Gabby.
Gabby, what's poppin', yo?
We just wanted to make a quick little video to tell you about something cool we found out.
Okay, you know Domino's, the pizza place?
Well, we ordered a pizza today online
Online.
at Domino's.com. I'm going to put the link right there, which I'm recording the video right now, but I'll put it there. I promise. I will.
Promise.
It'll be right there.
P-O...
Domino's.com. It'll be right there.
M-I-S-E, promise.
So, once we got done, it said we could track our order at tracker.domino's.com. And I'll put that link right there, too.
It was
Don't worry, I will.
so cool. We tracked it. We tracked
So,
it
like-
when it was preparing,
Like preparing, and
like
then
being placed, and
they
then it
told us the time it was put in the oven.
and they told us the girl's name too. It was
It was
Diane.
Diane, and then the guy who delivered it, his name was
Rob. They told us that online. He didn't
He
tell us
said,
that.
"Hey, we even watched out the window
And
and waited for him to come." And they said if he was over 30 minutes, like since
Late.
it says 19 to 29 minutes, your order will be there. If he's 30 minutes, you get a free bottle of soda.
how big?
2 liters.
Nah.
Yeah, huh.
No.
Yes.
No.
But sadly, he wasn't late. But we ordered soda anyway, so we still got soda.
What if we got like 4?
I wonder
bottles.
if you can just like call Domino's to order soda.
I will. One day.
I wonder if you could do that.
That will be one of my accomplishments.
I had their brownies one time. They were good.
Why would you have brownies from a fast food restaurant?
I don't know, but they were good. They were really good.
I would make my own brownies. We were supposed to make brownies today, but then we never did.
I know, we're
To
probably
your-
gonna make them tomorrow.
What time does your mom come tomorrow?
Like 12:30, 1 o'clock.
Well, the tracking thing was so amazingly
And I'll
awesomely
put the
cool.
links there for you, but you can't really track the pizza unless you order it. So you gotta order it from that link right there.
And then you gotta track it
And you gotta
from this
track
link
it from
right
this link
right
right there.
there. No, it's gonna be over here.
Well, it doesn't matter because it's still going to be there. Alright, so yeah, that's all we want to tell you. Okay, bye.
Peace.